how to convert any coin in USDT in MEXC. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first, launch your MEXC application. Then on the search bar on your top icon, simply select any of it to you of which you want to convert into USDT. Remember, you have to select this where there is an slash and USDT. For example, if you want to convert ETH into USDT, simply tap on it, and then you have to tap on buy, then tap on buy ETH. Simply enter your login credentials and your payment details and you will be done. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.